This time we're going to be working on Up the Ladder, Session 8. You previously read our read aloud at the beginning of the passage, or the text toilet, how it works. So today we're going to teach you that readers find the main ideas, or the central idea, as they read by looking for repeated words or phrases or images and asking, why is this part important to the text? So I need you to think about this question. Do any of you really like to read or watch mysteries? So reading nonfiction is a little like solving a mystery. Nonfiction readers are like detectives that figure out what the text is trying to teach. They read closely and put together clues to figure out the main ideas. So the other day we talked about how readers can figure out main ideas by looking at the beginnings of sections and the text features. But as the detectives know, sometimes the first place you look doesn't always have clues, so they have to keep searching. Today I want to tell you about another place nonfiction readers might look for clues about the main idea. So today we're going to teach you that as readers, you need to pay extra attention to anything that repeats in a nonfiction text. That means words that repeat, phrases that repeat, or even images that repeat. These repeating things are often clues pointing to important ideas. If you notice these, you can ask, why is that important? What is the text trying to teach me about that? So right now, we're going to reread pages 4 through 5. And while we're doing that, we need to pause, look at the most important ideas, and then at the end, we'll look back to see if we can find words that have words and phrases that are repeating, or even images that are repeating. So this is page 4 through 5. It says, everybody knows what a toilet is for. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Goodbye, old friend. A spring garden. A toilet's most important job is to remove the waste our bodies make. Tiny creatures called bacteria live in the water. Bacteria produce useful nutrients, but if they get on our hands or back inside our bodies, they can make us sick. With the push of a button or the press of a handle, the toilet sends our waste on its way. Clever toilet. Now I want you to take a second and see if you see any words, phrases, or even pictures that repeat. So in terms of pictures that repeat, I see a picture of a toilet that's on there 4 different times. I see repeated words or phrases such as the word waste. I see waste right here. I see waste up here, and I see waste again over here. So waste is an important word. And I also see the word bacteria repeated a couple times. So then our job is to come up with a statement of the main idea or central idea of these 2 pages. It should have something about a toilet, waste, and bacteria, since those items are all repeated. They're obviously something important. So maybe our central idea may be something like a toilet's job is to get rid of waste so the bacteria do not harm us as humans. That mentions all 3 of the repeated things we've seen so far. So your job is going to be to practice this by rereading pages 6 to 7. And you're going to reread those 2 pages and look for repeated words, phrases, or even pictures that are repeated, and come up with a statement of the main idea or central idea of those 2 pages as well.